be exploring this place until we have to go home with my cousin Freddie.
Hello, guys.
And Harrison.
Peace.
We are the Jacksons, obviously, since that's our name.
We are the Jacksons. Yeah, come on.
We'll
Freddie, you can get up there. Hey, hold the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna get up first. So basically, all this is all you need to do. If you have a bag, throw it over. Like this.
But if you have a big bag, you can just slide it through. Well, if you have things in it, then you climb up here. Unless you've got lemonade in it, like I do. I'm gonna have to get it.
You climb on here.
Getting up. Give it a second, guys. We've got 20 minutes, so we're gonna have to be shutting down. So that's a good amount of video, guys.
And there's a little box here that I made with all my friends.
Get this, bro.
There's a little box here that I made with all my mates. So
We don't know how to get out, so Freddie's gonna figure that out for us.
I always know how to get out. That was just a bad story. There's a van here though that's been here for years. Like it's a van. Yeah, so
Guys, go add me on Snapchat at Keenan Jackson 028.
I'm Freddie Jacks 64. I'll be there.
Yeah.
In a tracksuit. So I'm getting down first.
Guys, I don't really want to go in because I've been in before. And there's barbed wire everywhere. Everywhere, look. Barbed wire here.
I'm jumping there.
But you don't get in. Oh my god, I don't want to get in anymore.
Pretty hard getting down that pass. Passes the bag. Oh, so that's the building, guys. There's bunkers over there as well. Two bunkers.
Guys, someone's watching us. I think we're going to get caught.
Yo, bro, there's one here, bro. Be careful, bro. Yo, who is it?
You're going to have to get that bag and go back round. We'll make it round.
No, dude, it's fine.
Look, let's just go. No, we're looking at what we're doing. Guys, I'll make it up a bit so I can climb up.
I can't
climb up the station.
Oh, shit. I should pass the bag over. Pick the bag up. Keenan, it's alright, Keenan. They're gone. Tell him it's gone. Tell him it's gone. Keenan, they're gone.
Wait, he moves his massive box.
So. No, that's what you need to get down on.
No, just move it.
No, you can't. Ow. That's the only thing that you can get down on, and that's how you get up. Yeah, see, jump. Hey. I think it's scary. No, they don't work. They're old. They're old. Keenan. Yo, fed. Harrison, you're gonna have to jump. Yo, dude, I can hear fed sirens. Yo, dude, run. Yo, this is turned wrong. This has gone wrong, guys. This has gone wrong. This has gone terribly wrong. This has gone wrong.
Keenan should be down here somewhere.
This has gone wrong. Yo, Keenan! There's fed! Hey, bro, there's police. There's fed in there. You gonna? I can't shoot your phone, bro. I'm gonna have to jump.
Freddie, it won't smash.
Yo, bro.
Just throw it as far as you can. I got you guys. Is it alright? Guys, I'm gonna have to jump. Freddie, someone's gonna have to chuck the bag.
Why are we going over again? Yeah, we're going to jump in.
Are the fed sirens?
Yeah.
There goes my lemonade.
Are you sure this is a safe drop?
Come on, dude.
I'm going that way, Freddie. Hurry up. No, you have to jump. Why?
You have to. There's no way over down. Down.
Wait, yeah, there is.
Yeah, go that way.
Yeah.
I'm not risking that with my slipper shoes. Pussies, boy. Your boy jumped it on his Snapchat story.
Ow. Freddie, hurry up, lad. I'm throwing the bag because that's
Oh, I'm always snacking.
I'm always like slurring. Can you move?
I'm always snacking, guys. He's jumping. Don't hit him.
Yo, this is actually scary, guys. This is actually full on scary, though. Like, everyone's going to be like, here, so.
Just come on.
So, everyone watch this. Yo, this is going to be crazy. Yo, I've never done this before. Yo, I'm quite scared. People are watching. Okay. The fans. I'm joking. Like, literally, this is our first video.
Yeah, I know.
Gone wrong.
Already gone wrong.
We're going to do all this shit.
Jump.
Stuff. We're going to do all this stuff. Yo, Harrison, you try and jump. No, I'm not jumping. I'm going the other way. I'm a pussy. I'm a know it. Oh, man. I've got it feeling that it's going to come. I'm going to do it.
Girl's gonna be here for like 10 minutes watching trying to jump.
I got it. I can feel it coming. Oh, you fucking bastard. I've got it. I feel it. I can feel it now. You're gonna kick me in the head with it. I know it's too high. Really high. This. I have to do it to save my life.
Forgets.
Come on. It's only dark, mate. Yo, I can't. Fucking shaking.
Just jump. I'll throw my fucking baguette at you.
No, I'm doing it. Feel it. Come in. 3, 2, 1.
I'll throw it at you.
I can't do it. I'm trying. I'm trying my hardest to do it.
Harrison, you're not a pussy. You jumped on your fucking roof. You're flipping roof.
Oh, good. This is worse. This is water, life and death, bricks down there and everything.
You won't. Listen to this, guys. He's afraid to jump literally that far. How? He's not even that big. Not even 2 centimeters.
Here it is.
No, it's not.
Fall in there. 3 meters. Oh, Freddie. I'm going to do it.
I'll throw my baguette at you, so I'll do it in 10 seconds.
10.
Starting from now. 10.
I can't do it. I'm sorry. Go the other way then. There's another way, Freddie. Wait, down, Freddie. Harrison, move. I can try it.
Oh. I'm not throwing my baguette. I want it.
Tina, get there. Hold my hand. Grab my hand.
Listen, guys. Hassan's got you. I've got him. I don't.
Come on. I can do it. Move. I don't need your help anymore.
You really love.
Come on. Wait, my legs don't want to go. It's don't go because you're going to...
Oh my God! Oh!
You're not going like 10 seconds, Freddie. I'm actually going to push you off. You won't actually do that because what I can die.
There goes my baguette. I was enjoying that.
Come on. I don't know. I'm not waiting there. Get down by going this way. No, move. You can move down there, mate. How can I? I can't jump from there.
Because it's safer rock here.
What?
Safer rock here. So if you jump from there, you'll land on this. On that bit, you can fall because of this bit. Well, you can't even see, guys.
I see the way down here. He's failed. I'm stuck.
Default.
He's dropped his biscuits.
Oh, our biscuit.
So I'm going the other way.
Just do it!
Freddie, come this way with me. Harrison, you should. My legs are aching. Please, Mum. Please, Mum.
Oh my God. 3,
Mum, I did this for my mum.
2,
I did this for my mum.
1,
For my mum.
0. Jump!
Oh, God!
Here goes again for another 10 minutes.
Gone wrong.
Stop focusing. There we go.
I can't do it, Mom. Help me. Dad, you help me too, you devil.
Help him, help him. Everyone help him. Smash
The light button, please, to help me.
smash the like button to help him. Also smash the subscribe button. But make sure you don't smash your phone. Literally.
I want you to try and do it with your nose. Thanks for smashing the like button.
If you did it. 3, 2, 1, 0. Jump!
That's just putting me off.
No. That Harrison's gonna get. If Harrison beats you, you're a loser. Well, I'll see him.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. Spider-Man.
You actually could get that way, to be honest.
Did you jump from this place?
Yeah. Harrison's over, I think.
No, it's not.
Yeah, he's just really far away. You guys won't be able to see him. It's pitch black.
Yeah, I can't do it, bro. Sorry. My ass is shaking. It's hurting.
Guys, I might just wrap the video up here.
No!
Oh, never mind.
Give me a second, guys. I know I can't do this, but I'm probably gonna probably have to go for A&E today. I'm probably gonna have to go to A&E. Ah, fuck! Shit on it! Just shit on it!
This is getting published.
Fudge. I just said a jump, but I couldn't because of Freddy.
Here comes the pussy man. Here's the other pussy man. And here's the one who jumped 2 times before.
Okay, then it's not like you do, Dad.
No.
You see me always snacking.
I snack as well. I'm the biggest snacker here.
What? Snack
I didn't even get you in the video yet. I have, but I'm just like not there. Oh, look at the sky, guys. It's black. Monster!
Mom.
Man, we're just flashing his light at us, guys. Guys.
Bye, guys.
Guys, there's a man just flashing his light at us. We might have to run. Yes, a man. Freddy, come on, Harrison, we're going to have to run. No, guys.
He's been stalking us all day.
He's been stalking us all day. We're getting scared.
We only went to Frank's and now he's stalking us.
We don't know when he's going to strike, guys. We're a little scared. We're going to have to run to Freddy a bit. He flashed a light at us. Guys, you would have saw the light in the video.
We saw him at the train station. We saw him through his tunnel. It was creepy.
Yeah, guys, we're really scared. Guys, I don't know what we're gonna do. Don't know where Freddy's gone. But before, anyway, when we were shouting Fed and that, but we heard Fed sirens, so we got scared, so someone rang the police on us. So it's kind of gone wrong, but it hasn't. So, oh, that's Freddy. Freddy, you missed it. Some man started
Wait, do that man again. Do that man who's been stalking us?
all day. We saw him again, and he had a flashlight and he pointed at us.
Yeah, I saw it.
Guys, we're not wrapping the video up here yet, but we're just gonna run. nonce.
What are you doing? No. You're wrapping it up here.
Who's Jackson?
Can you move again? No. Who's coming out there? You know where Jackson is?
So,
Yeah, he's on your mum's house. Sick enough.
bye guys. We're going to wrap the video up here. We'll see you in the next one.